Why do people either love or hate this fruit? Some say it's creamy like custard. Others say it's the worst fruit ever. The smell of it catches attention so quick. For some, it smells like onions and socks. Some people ask, is this fruit actually dangerous or just misunderstood? This smelly fruit has some crazy myths around it, like, is it toxic? You can't mix it with anything. It's unhealthy junk food. These myths are all incorrect. The truth is, this is a super fruit. The facts are, it's just a normal fruit packed with nutrients. No proof it's dangerous, but it is nutrients potent and heavy, so don't overeat. It is loaded with fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats. This intriguing fruit is durian, the king of fruits in Southeast Asia. Some says, wait, it's actually sweet? Some people love it because it is creamy, sweet, and rich. And for others, nope, I can't do it. I hate the smell. The durian smell is natural. It comes from sulfur compounds, not spoilage. That's why some people find it strong, but it's not rotten. Would you try durian? Just comment below, yes or no. What is durian? Durian is a tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia, often called the king of fruits. It's famous for two things, its large, spiky shell and its very strong smell. Inside the tough outer husk, durian has soft, creamy flesh that can be yellow, white, or even reddish, depending on the variety. The taste is rich and complex. People describe it as a mix of sweet, savory, and slightly nutty flavors, sometimes compared to custard, almonds, or caramel. What makes durian unusual is its odor. Many people find it overpowering, with descriptions ranging from onions and cheese to something more pungent. Because of this, it's actually banned in some hotels and public transport systems in parts of Asia. Despite the smell, durian is highly valued and widely eaten fresh or used in desserts, candies, and drinks. It's also nutritious, containing fiber, vitamins like vitamin C, and healthy fats. If you ever try it, expect a strong first impression, but the taste might surprise you. Did you know this smelly fruit is actually super healthy? But before we continue, this is Joe from JM Food Trips. If you are new to this channel, please click the like, subscribe, and share below. Yes, this is durian, and it's packed with nutrients. It has more calories than most fruits, like a natural energy bomb. It's loaded with vitamin C for stronger immunity, high in fiber for better digestion, and even has healthy fats for energy. But don't overeat. It's high in sugar and calories. Once again, would you eat durian for health reasons? Please comment below yes or no. Foreigners' reactions to durian are famous and often hilarious because of its strong smell and unusual taste. Here's what people from outside Southeast Asia usually experience. First reaction, the smell shock. Many foreigners react instantly with shock or disgust. Common comments, it smells like rotten onions. Gym socks, garbage or sewage. Some even step back or cover their nose right away. First bite, fear and curiosity. They hesitate before tasting it, but with mixed reactions after the first bite were confusion, surprise, and sometimes instant dislike. Taste reaction, either love or hate. Durian is very polarizing. Some love it because it's like sweet custard, creamy and delicious, or they just keep eating more. Others hate it. I can't get past the smell. Tastes like what it smells like. Some even spit it out. It was funny what you see in durian reaction videos. Often it's memorable for many. People gag, laugh, or dramatically react. It's a popular challenge food for travelers. Why the big reaction? Foreigners are not used to the smell. Cultural difference. Locals grow up loving it. The mix of sweet, savory, and strong odor is unexpected. In short, durian is either the best fruit ever or the worst thing I've ever smelled. No in between. But there is something super good in this fruit that you don't want to miss. Continue watching to find it out. Durian isn't just famous for its smell, it's actually very nutritious. Here's a detailed breakdown of what you get from about 1 cup, about 240 g, of fresh durian flesh. Macronutrients, energy, and fuel. Calories, about 350 to 360 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 65 to 70 grams. Main energy source. Fiber, 9 grams, good for digestion. Fat, 13 grams, healthy fats, rare for fruits. Protein, 3 to 4 g. Durian is more energy dense than most fruits, which is why it's very filling. Rich in vitamins, vitamin C that boosts immune system, vitamin B6 that supports brain function, thiamine, B1 that helps convert food into energy, riboflavin, B2 that supports metabolism, folate, B9 that's important for cell growth. Also rich in minerals, potassium that helps control blood pressure, magnesium that supports muscles and nerves, iron that's important for red blood cells, copper that helps with iron absorption, and manganese that supports bone health. Other health benefits of this fruit: antioxidants that helps to fight cell damage, natural sugars that gives quick energy boost, high fiber that supports gut health. However, there are things to watch out for. Durian is very high in calories, so eat in moderation. Strong smell may be overwhelming for many, not ideal in large amounts for people watching sugar intake. As a simple summary, durian is like a natural energy bomb, rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and even healthy fats. Now that you know how nutritious this fruit is, are you going to eat durian? Some people really can't hold it. The smell lingers into their mind that causes them to throw it up. So some genius Filipino people decided to do something about it. What if you can enjoy the health nutrients of durian without smelling the strong odor? Find out. Continue watching. Here's a viral food content package about how durian is turned into different desserts. This smelly fruit turns into amazing desserts? Yes, this is durian, and you won't believe what it becomes. Durian desserts that confuse foreigners. This fruit turns into crazy sweet treats. People turn durian into these foods too, reduces the strong smell, makes it easier for foreigners to try, turns it into a dessert-style ingredient, and increases shelf life and portability. Durian becomes desserts? You won't believe this. From smelly fruit to ice cream and more, the first, durian ice cream, creamy, sweet, and way less smelly. Durian ice cream is one of the most popular uses. Blended with cream, milk, and sugar, becomes smooth, rich, and less smelly than fresh durian. This is very popular in Thailand, Malaysia, and Vietnam. The taste becomes creamy, sweet, and custard-like. Next, durian cake and pastries. Soft sponge and rich filling are dessert explosion, used as filling in cakes, rolls, and pastries. Common in bakeries across Southeast Asia, often paired with sponge cake or cream. The taste, rich, buttery, and dessert-like. Then durian milkshakes and smoothie, mixed with milk or coconut, super creamy, sometimes mixed with ice or banana. It makes the flavor more friendly for first-timers. The taste is sweet, creamy, and tropical. This is good particularly with warm weather. And even durian candy, small, sweet, and beginner-friendly. Interesting fact. Even when processed, durian still keeps its unique creamy texture and strong identity, which is why people either love it instantly or still find it too intense. Now, I will ask you again, would you try durian desserts? Comment below, yes or no. I must confess, because of the high health nutrients of this fruit, I learned to eat and enjoy it. I love eating this fruit. If you enjoy this topic, please click like, subscribe, and share below. Also, click the video next to me for more bizarre and exotic foods resource. Join me in the next video. Thank you and see you there.